Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Hope you're having a good day. Right now it's 89 degrees. I would do this install in 70-degree or up weather. I am kind of doing this really quick because if you go back and you look at the installation of our Prado badge, it is basically the same thing. And for the first edition badge, I actually wanted it to go down here, but I really like this badge, so I'm not planning on removing it today. So I thought, why don't we put it over there? It should be the exact same width as the Land Cruiser, so it will fit on that right side, no problem. I'm also going to take ideas for some other badges. I think I'm going to make a 1958 edition as well. So what I've done is I've cleaned this area off, and I've removed the backing from this template right up to about there, and right over here to get it to stick. We don't want this to stick permanently, so I haven't moved the whole thing. Now I'm going to get all the inserts and then put them in there. On the back side here, you can see exactly how much of that backing I removed. Only a little bit on one side and a little bit on the other side. Didn't even have to remove any out the center, but if you want to remove some out the center, I would take a very sharp knife, cut it, and then peel so it doesn't tear all of it off. Alright, what I want to note about this install is that the S especially, if you try to install that upside down, it won't fit inside of that template. And I also forgot the reason why we're doing this. The reason why we're doing this is a customer requested it. If you look at some of the either pre-release vehicles or vehicles elsewhere in the world, they actually had some logos up on the side, and that's what we were trying to recreate. We will make those acrylic that says Land Cruiser and First Edition right there, and also 1958 edition right there. It'll just be an extension of what we already have here with the Land Cruiser above it. All right, guys, change number 54. When you look at something, you kind of realize, well, maybe it should be in another place. And what I did was actually move it right below the Land Cruiser, kind of like how it was in the photos from around the world. I think that location looks a lot better. You first edition owners will appreciate that. So, for more products for the 2024 Land Cruiser, please check out our website. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Also hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we're coming out with for the 2024 Land Cruiser.